Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Andobil car phone holder with a wireless charger on top. QC3.0 adapter included. It's compatible with Samsung Galaxy S21, S20, Note 20, for iPhone 12, 11, 10, SE, etc., etc., etc. It's universal fixing to your dashboard or your air vent windshield system. Hands-free car phone holder. It's an awesome mount because it's so universal you can dock it in each car. Every car is compatible because it has a wide compatibility. The clamp arm of this car phone mount can extend from 2.16 inches to 4.02 inches and hold 4.7 up to 6.8 inches phones stable. Don't worry about your phone is falling or dropping the bottom. No care. Do not care of it because it will not happen if you dock it right on your front shield or on your car van system. Of course, if there is so much dirt under this suction cup, of course it will drop. Okay, you have to clean it before, and then you can enter it, and then it will hold stable there. And it's suitable for iPhone 12, iPhone SE, iPhone 11, etc. Samsung Notes, no problem. Galaxy, everything's possible. You do not need to remove the phone case while using this iPhone car holder. It is not only a car holder, it is a wireless car charger. The invention of the car phone holder facilitates our travel. But it is troublesome for you to use the charging cable. Plug, unplug, plug, unplug. Oh, that's not so good. Andobil car phone mount is engineered safely enhance our driving experience. It's added the QR wireless charging function and equipped with QC3.0 Adapter. Pick up our phone and get rid of the messy lines at any time. And it comes with a powerful suction adaptation, non-marking high viscosity glue and suction cap lock, double stability, suction power up to 15 pounds, exceed the level of the most similar products on the market. The suction cap has no trace after removal, and the thickness after washing is new and can be reused. High temperature resistance up to 90 degrees. And extreme flexibility. Thanks to the 360 degrees swivel head, our phone can be oriented to portraits, landscapes, or any angle in between we like for editing convenience. It has an extendable long arm to keep our phone always in view area and ready for hands-free calls, GPS navigation, and music streams. We will get an Andobil wireless car charger, an QC 3.0 adapter and powerful suction cap, an upgraded clip, USB-C cable, and an Android's awesome product support, of course. You can dock it where you like. It's no problem. It's the ultimate version wireless car charger. Awesome. Really awesome. What makes this Andobil Ultimate Wireless Charger different with others? It comes with a third generation chip and a QC 3.0 car charger. True fast charging for our phone. And it built with super carbon fiber materials and manual ratchet design of clamping arm. It makes it more durable and anti-slip. They improve it from 10 million plus customers feedback, which has a great improvement on the suction cap and vent clip. And that's right, because of this two version of suction cap. That means you have a glue area and the suction itself. It will makes a double holding position thing. And if you go to the air vents, it is a good clamp system. It holds really nice. And it's really easy to use. One hand operation to release the mount within 1 second. Super simple for everyone at any age. We can dock it on the windshield, on the air vent, on the dashboard. But if you are docking it onto the dashboard, use the trigger plate as well. And this trigger plate will give us another glue area to get this on the dashboard. And after we attach this on the dashboard, we can attach the suction arm with it on top of this extra area. They provide every customer with an upgraded dashboard mount. A strong wand clip, it's more steady and strong. We can install this wireless car charger to the dashboard, to the windshield, or the air vent. Of course, you can install it too on your home area, for example, on your dashboard. We will not need to have worry about that the car mount can't install on the dashboard in summer. This suction cap can beat the highest temperatures out there. It will never fall down from the dashboard. And it's creative adjustable tray for different phones. So many phones, 6.4 inches, 4.7 inches, all is possible. And we have a QI fast wireless charging system. This Andobil car mount wireless charger comes with a QC3.0 car charger. And this car charger system, QC3.0, contains another USB port. So you can use it in two ways. It has a great improvement on the chip. It makes it charge 50% faster than any other brand out there. And super steady on any road condition. With a 3-point stable design, it can clamp our phone firmly on the car mount. Also comes with a strong band clip and suction cap. We do need worry about that our phone will drop off. And it's case friendly. This Andobil wireless car charger equipped with a strong wireless charging sensor. We do not need to remove this thick phone case to charge our phone. First step, of course, we have to clean the dash, for example. Then we put the pad on it. And then tear off the sticker on the suction cup. And then press and hold it and get it in position. Job's done. It's only 4 steps and you have installed it on your dashboard, for example. Of course, you can do it on the windscreen easily and on other locations too. Popular holiday gift. Easy use for everyone. 10-watt fast charging. And versatile accessory. It's universal compatibility with iPhone, Samsung devices, Galaxy and Note and LGs. Everything is possible. It's really easy to attach and it is really easy and comfortable to use. This is the Andobil car phone holder. It's a wireless charger and it's compatible with, I think, all phones out there. It's universal dashboard or air vent windshield for a hands-free car phone using a nice and easy device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.